Hey guys, it's Mandy and we're in the kitchen today and we're going to be cooking up some Shrinky Dinks out of to-go boxes. Do you remember those as a kid? I loved them. Come on, let's go see how it's done. Okay guys, this is the symbol that you'll want to see on your plastic, so make sure it's on your plastic container. Now get your supplies out, get your stencil fuzzed and in the plastic, and then use the ink to actually create your design. Okay guys, pull that up and then you're going to use a hole punch to punch a hole in it now. You won't be able to do it afterwards. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees and then watch the magic happen. See that I have aluminum foil underneath there just to protect my oven. Now I got it out and you can tell that it's completely dry. The design's not going anywhere. And now let's just make a cute little gift out of it for a kid's gift. That would be super cute. They can also be used for Christmas tags, Christmas ornaments, and jewelry, sun catchers. Sky's the limit, guys. Have fun with it. I would love to see what you make, so tag me or come over to my Facebook page and show me your designs as well. Talk to you later. Bye.